Welcome back to Barefoot Farms. If you're new, I'm Brittany and I'm so glad that you're here. Today we're going to be working on cleaning out my pantry. It's overflowing with excess inventory from the holidays and I need to get it back in control and ready for the summer. I also need to get organized so I can see exactly what we have so I can plan meals and shop for my pantry shelves first and delay buying groceries if possible. We'll also be making a trip to Dollar Tree for some bins to help organize the pantry. I'll also give you an update on what's happening in our veggie garden. If you missed that video, it'll be linked in the description below. Now come on, let's get to it. I have all kinds of stuff in here that's from leftover Christmas party stuff. Oh yeah. I bought these at Christmas time, eggnog almonds. They were really good, but these are old. So I'm getting rid of those. So I'm gonna get started just by taking everything off the shelves. And then as I'm going, I'm gonna check for expired items. And I have my trash can ready and we're just gonna get it out of here and throw it away. I already know right away, I'm gonna get rid of these hamburger buns and they're gonna become chicken food. Stale bread, old bread, moldy bread is great chicken food. I got these for my daughter. These Betty Crocker mug treats. I'll have to ask her about these. These are on their way out, but I don't think she really cared for them. No, I'll save them though, because she might want them. Oh, and by the way, I've heard all the stories about the Girl Scout dupes at Dollar Tree. We got their thin mints and tried these, the peanut butter patties. Oh my God. You gotta try them. Oh my Lord, they're so good. They taste just like it and they're only $1.25. So we're keeping these. Margarita mix. Does margarita mix go bad? Are you even a chicken person if you don't have a million egg cartons laying around? And this is some of my leftover stash of canning that I did last summer. Canning pickles. I also canned some pasta sauce and salsa. And this was some chow chow that I canned last year. I've never done it before. It's kind of like pickle relish. I'm probably going to end up composting this. It wasn't our favorite. Leave me a comment below. How many of you have spent time canning something and you just weren't crazy about it? All right, everything's been cleared out except for the top. I'm leaving that stuff there for now. But We have all of the shelves totally empty. Just have some canning jars left there in the corner. But now I need to go in and clean off the shelves, get those all clean before we start figuring out a plan for how we're going to reorganize this. So I'm probably going to keep those, but I think I'm going to go to Dollar Tree and get some bins and put some of the things together that we use so that it's easier to access later. And here's a look at all of the stuff that came out of the pantry. All of these items, all of the canned goods and jarred items, and this is dog food and cleaning supplies. And then here's all the stuff that I canned last year. We still have a couple of pickles from 22, and so that just tells me that I need to get those used up before I start canning 24 pickles. And then we just have random stuff over here. This is becoming the old bread cracker pile for the chickens. Now that I've got all of the shelves vacuumed and a lot of the dust and debris is picked up, I'm gonna go ahead and give one of these Mr. Clean Magic erasers a try. It's the kitchen ones that have Dawn dish soap embedded in them. So I'm gonna give them a try, not sponsored. Just wanna kind of get from things sliding back and forth. It has, you know, dirt and different things on it. So we just wanna get it clean. It's not gonna look perfect. But we're gonna go ahead and get to it. So I had to take a break from cleaning out the pantry, and because I needed to come to town to do a UPS store drop off, and I needed to do some returns at Walmart. So I figured I'm gonna go into Dollar Tree, see what they've got as far as bins for better organization in the pantry. So I'm gonna take y'all with me. So I was able to get these 5 bins, and I think these will work perfect. I almost thought about the gray ones, but I think clear will be best. That way everybody can see exactly what's in the bins. In this first bin, I thought it'd be great to keep all of my miscellaneous baking items like 00 flour, cornmeal, and items that I don't use that often. And I just thought it'd be great to be in one bin so that it's a one-stop shop. I decided on the second bin that I was going to consolidate all of the snacks that we had in boxes and put it in one bin That way, if anybody's looking for snacks, they know that they can go to this one bin and everything that they're looking for should be in there. And that way it'll get eaten up too and not forgotten about in the back of the pantry. Hello, ladies. Come eat, ladies. Hi, girls. Are y'all ready for some snacks? While we're out here, I don't know if y'all checked out my video the other day, but we worked in the garden and took it from looking like a crazy mess, weeds everywhere. But we planted everything and everything's looking really good. We've had a lot of rain. And this flower bed is where we planted our green bean bushes. And as you can see, we have a little green bean sprout there and there. They're coming up all over the place. So we did this last Thursday. So it's been a couple of days. So everything's doing really well. Like I said, we've had a lot of rain. And now the sun's coming out. And these are our cucumber plants that are coming up. So I was excited about that. We're still waiting on, we have carrots planted along here, but so far no sprouts. So I'm anxious to see what happens with those, since we've never done those before. Over here is where we planted some habaneros and not seeing any sprouts just yet. And not seeing anything over here with the peas. This was snap peas that we planted in here. But we did see some buds coming in for the dill. I don't know if you can see right there. That's the dill sprouts coming up. So everything is looking good. And our tomato plants are looking awesome. I still haven't replaced this whole, I haven't put a Roman tomato there yet. We planted these marigolds in all of the beds to help deter bugs and pests that we know would eat on everything. And I don't know, some of these marigolds look kind of crappy. They don't look so hot. So I don't know if it's because we've had a lot of really bad wind and stuff, but I was looking to see if the nasturtiums, if there's any buds there, but not seeing anything. And then here are the bell pepper plants and basil and some more bell pepper, sweet pepper, and a Tabasco plant. The ladies are still over here enjoying the goodies from the pantry. Well, here it is, everybody. Here's my newly organized pantry. I feel so much better knowing that I can clearly see everything that I have on my shelves so that when I'm ready to do meal planning, I can hopefully save a little bit of money on groceries by not overbuying things that I already have. This snack bin should come in really handy so that everybody can see what's in there so that things aren't getting lost on the shelves. I'm going to enjoy my baking bin here with all of the items that I use on occasion, but at least it's all kept together in that one bin. So everyone, I hope that you've enjoyed this video and joining me today as I got my pantry decluttered and ready for the summer. Let me know down in the comments, will you be taking on this challenge? Will you be cleaning out your pantry and getting ready for summer and getting ready to shop your shelves so you can save some money? I'd love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you subscribe and come back. Have a great one.